Hi guys, thank you for clicking on my video. Today on this video guys, I'll be going straight to how you can do the perfect scalping method on forex trading. Many people have been asking me how do they do scalping, what is scalping, on forex trading, and they're just hearing it but they don't really know how or the actual thing about scalping. A scalper or scalping trading actually means you following trading immediately as the market is going. Okay, in forex trading we have day traders, we have scalpers, and there's another type of traders that we have, but then most times people do scalping. Scalping is risky, it's also good, but it's also risky, because when you see market as a scalper, you just have to be careful with your analysis because you have chances of losing and also winning. Well, in as much as it has to do with forex trading, whether you're a day trader or a scalper, you have chances of winning and also you have chances of losing on forex trading. So today I'll be going straight to how you can trade or scalp your forex trading market. It's very simple. First of all, in scalping you don't use long time frame. If you're a scalper, remember you're not going to use a long time frame. You're not going to use time frames like 1 hour, 30 minutes or 15 minutes. Probably you might not even be using 5 minutes time frame because you are scalping. The best time frame as a scalper that you need to be using is the 1 minute time frame. That's the actual time frame that they always use as scalpers in trading on forex. So not wasting much of your time, I'll be going straight to how to scalp on forex trading. First of all, like I always said, for you to understand the market structure and how it works, you must use your long time frame to understand what is really actually happening. What is really happening in the market, because your time frame will your long time frame will tell you what have already happened in the market, while your short time frame will tell you what is recently happening in the market. So when you use your 1 hour time frame, you understand what is really happening in the market. Remember, one thing you should also know about trading is that trading has to do with support and resistance. But then when you are trying to trade, like I told you, if you are using your as a scalper, first thing you need to do is use your long time frame, understand what is happening. Now after understanding what is happening, you can now use your short time frame to scalp your market. Now as you are trading gold, if you look at this gold, actually the gold there is a break of structure in this market. Okay, now if you are trading as a long term trader, automatically you can go for a buy from this because automatically there is a break of structure in this market. But then as a scalper, none of these things concern you. But then why we are using a long term frame is to understand what is actually happening. Now this is 1 hour time frame. We'll move to 30 minutes time frame. In 30 minutes time frame, the trend looks like it's also going down, but then in 15 minutes time frame is actually ranging. The market has been ranging all this way. You see, it ranges and it's going for an uptrend this way. There is a higher high from here, then until there was a break of structure, and then it started going down, and then it will still continue to go down. So then in this strategy, the best time frame, like I told you guys, is the 1 minute time frame. When you have checked the market with your long time frame, you now come to your 5 minutes time frame to understand what is actually happening in the 5 minutes time frame. Remember, forex trading has to do with obeys two things. Forex trading obeys structure and resistance. That is why whenever market reach its support, forex trader has to obey two laws, that is support and resistance. So that means whenever market reach support, it must go back to resistance, and whenever it reach resistance, it must go back to support. So when there is a break of structure like this here, that means the market is trying to change a format. Do you understand me? When there is a break of structure like what you see here, that means the market is trying to change its format. Although we'll come to that aspect, today we are talking about scalping strategy. So guys, as we all know, this is our 5 minutes time frame. Now we move to our 1 minute time frame to see what's actually happening. Now in this 1 minute time frame, as a scalper, from here as a scalper, if this market was still on, from here you can go for a buy from here, because it has reached its support. Automatically this market will start buying from here as a scalper. Just look at this. When the market reached here, it bought a little, then it came down to another support, then went for a buy, just like that, you know, move a little, went down, move up, then go down. Okay, let's also use this as an example. Let's use this side as another example of what scalping means. You see, when the market move up here, when the market was moving up here a little, it reached to its support, it goes down for a sell, then move up again, reach to this support, goes down for a sell, move up again. You see, it now started moving up until there is, if you use your longer time frame, you see another support that this market obeys and made it to go down for a sell. Then it pick up again for a buy. This means the market is buying. Remember, like I told you guys, you don't trade against the market. You use your long time frame to understand what is happening in the market. Then you use your short time frame to do your scalping. So as the market is buying, you have to always do your entering forward for a buy, not going upwardly from what the market is doing. So this is the simple strategy to scalp your market on Forex. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned as we highlight you guys on how to be a professional trader online. Thank you and stay tuned.